Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I'm Cindy and my channel is More Than 2 Cents. And today we're going to be doing a Temu summer clothing try-on haul. And before I get started, I do want to put a thank you out there to Kellie's Unboxing Addiction. You made my month, you made my year. You sent some of your viewers my way, and thank you and welcome to the viewers that are here from her channel. And yeah, I'm thrilled, so thanks again. So let's get started. So today, as you can see, I'm getting ready for Memorial Day, for 4th of July, getting real patriotic. And first thing is this flag headband, and there actually was a bunch of different styles available, maybe like 5 different patterns, and this was $1.79. And I didn't say this, but I'm going to put links in my description box to all these items. I'm going to put the price that I paid, and the prices fluctuate, so might not be exactly what I paid. And I'm also going to tell you the sizes that I got, the clothing and everything. And yeah, and anything else I can think of. But yeah, so that'll be in my description box below. So this was $1.79. These cute little earrings, they're like popsicles, really cute. These were 59 cents. And the only thing I don't like is that they're not two-sided, but they're made of like almost like a hard rubber material. They're not super heavy or anything. And then they kind of match my tank top. It's also got the Patriotic popsicles on it. And then this is a racerback tank top. And these, I think the tank top, let me see here, do I have it? The tank top was $5.89, I believe I paid for this. And then I got these denim shorts. These were $8.29. These are in a size small. I probably should have sized up on these. These are a bit tight for me. And I also did include my measurements in the description box so you get an idea. But these are actually 80% cotton, you guys, if you can believe it. But yeah, so I'm a little afraid they're going to shrink. I'm definitely not putting them in the dryer. But they don't have really any stretch at all. So just be forewarned, I should have sized up on these. And yeah, so I'll be right back with my next outfit. Okay, the second outfit, I'll show you the earrings first. I actually do not have the price right off the bat, but I'm sure these were no more than $3. And they are pretty heavy, so I don't know how long I would want to wear these. And they're really long. And they're probably a little too fancy for this outfit, but they do kind of match the shirt, and so I did want to show them to you guys. The shirt is just a ribbed tank top, and this is in like a mint green. I think they call it grassy green actually on the website. And it does have these snap closures here, and they are working snaps. And this is what it looks like untucked to give you an idea how long it is. And then I would probably tuck it in. I'm wearing the same jeans that I had on prior. I'm also wearing these shoes, and I don't know if you can see them when I stand back, but they're these, and these are in, I believe they call this the camel color. And I believe I got the 7.5. So they don't really have a whole lot of padding on them. I do like the sole. It does have a little bit of tread on it, so I don't feel like I'm going to slip and break my neck. The only thing I don't like about it, so this here, this plasticky material, when I walk around, you can hear it. So I don't know, that bothers me, but it might not bother you. So I'll stand back and show you the outfit. And again, I don't know if you can see my shoes from there. But yeah. Be right back. Okay, this next outfit, let's start with the headband. So this is just a little floral design headband. This actually came in a set of 6 headbands, and I believe it was around 4 something. I'll put the price in the description box below. And these earrings, pretty cute. They're almost like a little sunburst, or with everything going on, maybe they're like a solar flare. But these are in silver, and I think I got these in gold as well. I think I actually got them in a set. Not sure, but I'll put it down in the description box. And I'm sure they were around $2. This shirt was $6.49, and they call this pinkish gray. This is a small, and it is like a stretchy material. It's really light and silky feeling, and it's got kind of the ruched puff sleeves on it, which I really like this shirt. It's very comfortable, very lightweight. This is what it looks like tucked out. And then, of course, you can tuck it in. I'm still wearing the same shorts and the same shoes, so you're not missing out on anything there. Okay, this next outfit, start with the earrings. These are the ones I thought were set with the last pair, but these are actually a little bit different. They're gold, but these go all the way around. The other ones were just like half and came out. And this actually came in a set with this necklace. And these are in gold. I think they're really pretty. And the set of the necklaces or the necklace and the earrings was only $1.57. And then this shirt, they call it a sweetheart neckline tank top. I can't remember if this came in other colors, but this was $4.59, and it's pretty stretchy. This is a small. And again, it's just the same shorts I'm wearing, so I'm just going to show you the top. Okay, be right back. Okay, so the next outfit is these earrings. There's black and white. I don't really know if there's a name for that design. It's almost like a leopard pattern, but not really. These were 89 cents. And then this shirt, they call it a cap sleeve shirt. And it's more like a blouse, kind of that thin. I always say it feels like an umbrella, but it really does not bother me. It's not too bad. And this was only $2.97, and it's a little tight around the bottom. So this is a size small. So if you do get one, you might want to keep that in mind. I do have bigger hips though. So this is what that looks like. Again, this is the same shorts. And I'll be right back. Okay, so next, can't miss these earrings. These humongous earrings. I totally thought these were going to be like a quarter of the size. So definitely read the description and the measurements that they give. But they're just kind of this pink, almost like a shell material with gold tops. And they are a little heavy. You can see they're pulling down on me. I probably will not wear these really. They're a little much, but they do kind of match what I'm wearing, and I figured I'd show them to you. So also is another headband from that set, and this one's just kind of that gingham print checkered pattern. And then this shirt, I don't even know if you can read it. It says "Just Breathe" on it. And I think it's just because of the color that I picked, because this t-shirt does come in different colors with the white printing on it. And I just think I picked too light of a color. Maybe it just doesn't show up very well. But it's okay. It's a nice t-shirt. It's really soft. It's not spongy. It's not like, you know, a cottony real t-shirt feeling either, but it's really soft. It's thin. I like it. It's actually pretty good feeling. So this is what the shirt looks like. Okay, this next outfit, these earrings, this came in a set of 2 pairs. So you got gold, and then it also came with a silver pair just like it. And they're like triple hoops. And I cannot find them right now off the top of my head how much they were, but I will have that for you in the description box below. Also this bracelet, it's just a cuff bracelet. It's really pretty. It's kind of, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like got little, you know, cuts in it almost, so it sparkles more. And this was $1.79, and it is a little bendable, so you can make it fit. I'm still wearing the same necklace I was wearing with that sunburst. And then there's this cowl neck tank top, and this was $5.49. It's very stretchy. This is a small, and it is, you know, a little, I feel like it's a little low for me. Like I definitely wouldn't want to be bending over and picking anything up. But I might try to do something in the back and pull it up a little bit more. Like get one of those, you know how you can get those bra attachments that it'll take the straps and like pull them together. So I think I'm probably going to get some of those from Temu, of course, and try that on this shirt, because I'm just, it's a little too low for me to be comfortable. But this is what it looks like. And I'm finally going to show you something next other than these shorts. So I will be right back. Next outfit. So let's start with this hat. So it's just a trucker style hat. So it's got the snap back on it. And it says good vibes. And I just thought it looked cute with this outfit. And this was, I think, $4.59. And again, I'm wearing it with the same Popsicle earrings. The blue doesn't really match, but I think it matches enough. It's cute. And this shirt was actually from my last summer haul that I did. This romper is $7.49, and it's pretty cute. I'm wearing shoes from my last summer haul as well, or I think these were from my swimsuit haul, but that's the flip-flops I'm wearing. So this romper, it's really cute. You just adjust the straps here, and then I just tied them in like a little knot. I'm not really sure if that's what you're supposed to do, or if you're supposed to like tie them up on here, but that's just what I did. And so that's how you can adjust it. This is a small. The only thing I'm going to say about this is it's really thin. It's like a crepey material. And it's nice that it's thin for summer because it's going to be really cool. But you can kind of see through it. It's a little transparent. And you can probably even see like this shirt through it. So I am wearing nude color undergarments. But yeah, I would have to try to figure out something different to wear under here, because it's definitely see-through. This did come in other colors, so I'm not sure if maybe you got a different color, maybe you wouldn't have that issue so much, but I'll wear it. You know, I'm just gonna have to be careful about what I'm wearing under it. And I do have another outfit coming up. Okay, so this is going to be my last summer outfit for this video. First off, these earrings, they are wood. They're very thin, they're lightweight. And I only paid $1.24 for these. They are a little large, but I kind of like that. And then this outfit, it's a 2-piece outfit. So you get a top and pants, and it's kind of that linen feel. I cannot remember what this is made of though, but I'm pretty sure it's not real linen. I don't know, I could be wrong. It was $14.42 for both pieces, and I am wearing a small. The top is pretty cropped, it actually comes like kind of right just beneath my belly button. But these pants are really high cut, which I tend to like because I have really short legs, so it always makes my legs, anything that give my legs an extra inch, I'm thrilled. So it has elastic waist, and the top of this, the shoulders, so they don't actually tie or anything, it just comes like this. So this is just part of the design. And I mean, it's kind of weird when you first see it because you're like, what is going on with all these little flappy things? But I don't know, they're just for decor. It's okay. And yeah, this is in, I think it's called Tawny, the color. And I think this is the only color it came in on the link that I have. And yeah, so they're kind of a wide leg pant that's really flowy. And again, this fabric, it kind of feels like a cottony linen. You know, this isn't silky at all. It's not stretchy at all. I don't really feel like it's see-through, and it's really comfortable. This is going to be really nice in the summer. You can just tell it's really lightweight. And yeah, I really like this outfit. Another thing I really hate though, I do hate, another Temu thing is there's no pockets. Like, I keep wanting to put my hands in the pockets and they're not there. Oh my gosh, please give us pockets. But besides that, I love this outfit, and yeah, it's gonna be great for summer. So I'm excited about summer, and yeah, I hope you're excited about summer too. And I'm excited that you're here watching this video. Thank you if you made it all the way through. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And yeah, I do hope you'll join me in the next video. I'll try to do another one this week. And thank you again, and have a great day. Goodbye.